If you want to factory reset your Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The main method is to go to Settings. Then over here we can go to About Phone, and if you scroll down you should be able to find Factory Reset option, and here we have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything. So remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose in the process. And also if you confirm and tap on Erase All Data and then enter your password, then you still have the option to back up your data. So if needed, you can of course use this to create a backup. If you are ready to perform the factory reset, then of course we can use this button in here and then follow the rest of the steps that you will see on the screen in order to erase everything from your phone. The second method is to use the Find Hub or Find My Device. So if we go to the, I believe, fingerprints, face data, and screen lock over here, and then we're gonna go to the privacy, then here we have the Find Hub, which we can tap on in order to proceed. And then we can use the Find Hub. If it's enabled, we can use it in order to erase the data of our phone. So when it is enabled, you can go to google.com/android/find, and then you should be able to find your phone. Now, for some reason, there is no proper name for Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus. At least right now there is none. I'm not sure why. But you should be able to select it from this list of your devices, and then you have the Erase Data option. There we go. So it is actually factory reset the device, so we can select it in order to erase all data. One thing that you also need to keep in mind is that you want to check your account, your Google account that is being used right now, because for example, if another account is assigned to your phone, to the Find Hub, then of course you will have to change that. And last but not least, we also have the recovery mode, which we can use to erase everything from our phone. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. We're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And we need to slide up in here to power off. And we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down, which usually takes like 10 seconds or so, maybe even less. Now, after that, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up, and you want to keep holding these two buttons until you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen. Once you see Xiaomi logo, you want to only hold volume up, so you will have to let go of the power button. So first, press and hold power and volume up, and keep holding like this. Now we can release the power button and just hold volume up. And keep holding like this until you see this menu over here, the Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery menu. In here, we navigate with the volume buttons, so use volume up or down in order to choose a different option, and you confirm your choice by using the power button. So, of course, we want to choose wipe data, confirm by pressing the power button, and then over here go to wipe all data, and once again confirm by using the power button. If you go back after that to the main menu, after removing everything, and then you want to, of course, choose the reboot option, and then reboot to system, and you should be able to go back to the normal mode, and that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.